Welcome to our class. We will solve equation with a rational exponent. Our problem for today is solve for x 15 equals 113 times 9x plus 176 to the fifth power plus 16. Okay, before I would like to explain some ideas special in this kind of problems. When we solving equation or any questions, it is something necessary to raise the question both sides of the question to the same power. Okay, to the same power. However, this can introduce a new concept, a new idea in Algebra 2 for our class. This concept is called extraneous. Yeah, like this, extraneous solution. So what is this extraneous solution? What I mean this? Okay, when we have, for instance, if a to the n power equals b to the n power, isn't always true. It's not always true. It's not always true. That a equals b. All right. So, for instance, if we write 5 to the second power equals to negative 5 to the second power, so look at this. But 5, in this case, 5 is different to negative 5, right? See this clue here? Let's see one problem. Try one problem, not this one. If we have x plus 1 equals 5, right? Right. Only one value satisfies this equation. Which value? X equals 4, right? 4 plus 1 is, that's true. If you square both sides, for example, if we square both sides of the equation, you get x plus 1 to the second power equals 25. I mean, we square both sides, all right, like the definition of the concept. There are two values that satisfies this new equation. One value is, of course, one value is x equals 4, right? And the other one is x equals negative 6, right? Two values satisfy this equation, right? But only for this case, only x equals 4. Only this one made the original equation true. So here, so x equals negative 6. I mean, maybe it's important to write this. Only one value, not only one. This right, only x equals 4. Yeah, made the equation okay, the original equation true. Right? This is very important. So, to explain it this concept, okay, let's turn out solution. So x equals negative c is extraneous, right? Here, this is the something we have to know before when you're working in this solving equation with a rational exponent. Sometimes you will see this problem. All right, let's go then and then solve our problem for today. All right, first step. First here. First, in solid, here we have 113, right? 113 times 9x plus 176 to the 3 to the 5th power. 3 to the 5th power, right? So this is, I will make two lines because it's too long. It's gonna be long, the process. I will do all the steps. All right, so this is, then we will have 15 equals 113 times 9x plus 176, this one to the 3rd power, 3 to the 5th power, 3 to the 5th power plus 60. All right? See, so now subtract here, subtract, I will write all the steps, subtract 16 from both sides here, 16 from both sides. All right? If you subtract 15 to both sides, you will have here negative 1 equals 113 times 9x plus 176 to the 3/5 power. All right? So now next step here. So I will write the process right here next because it's a lot of steps. You solve it 113 here, 113 times 9x plus 176 by raising here, both sides of the equation to the 5/3. All right, power. 5/3 power. So then we will have here negative 1 equals to the 5/3 power equals here everything here 1/3 times 9x plus 176 here 3/5 times 5/3. All right. So now simplify this. You should process a simplify, go and simplify. We will have here then open parenthesis, a square root inside here. We're going to have 3 not square root, is cube root of negative 1, cube root of negative 1 to the fifth power here equals 1/3 here in this side. We will have 1/3 times 9x plus 176. So that's it, right? So next step here is going to be negative 1 equals, you simplify 1/13 here, 1/13 times 9x plus 176. All right. So finish this. Finish solving for x here. We have to write right here. Finish here. Finish. Here solving for x. For x. Multiply both sides. Multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by 30. All right. So then we will have here, you multiply by 30, we will have negative 13 equals 9x plus 176. And then subtract, next step, subtract here, subtract which number here? In this case, we have to subtract 176, this number from both sides. Both sides. Okay, from both sides. We have then here negative 189 equals 9x. Now the last step, divide both sides by 9. So divide here, both sides and by 9. If you multiply by 9, the answer is you got the answer 20 negative 21 equals x, right? This is the last step, right? So now we need to prove the concept that I told you before is exponents. So I will erase these sides and then work on the other side. I don't want to erase here this data here, and then let's work over there. So there is one potential solution here. So there is one potential solution. Which one? So x equals negative 21. Suppose also. Let's check now. Check all our work. So check. One thing we have to check. Check to see if it is extraneous. So extraneous. How check this? All right, let's write all that. It's very simple. Just write everything. So write 15 here equals I will prove all process. We 15 113 times 9x plus 176 to the 3/5 power plus 16. Plus 16. So now we will have 15 equals, maybe we don't know how prove. So right now just write 113 times 9. We have to multiply 9 by what? 9 times 9 times negative 21. Negative 21. That is, we got it. Plus 100. You substitute x plus 176 to the 3 to the 5th power plus 60. All right. So next step is 15. We don't know here. So 113. 9 times negative 21 is equals negative 189. 189 plus 176 to the 3 to the 5th power plus 60. All right. So now next step is we will have 15 equals. Let's see. Just subtract here. Add and subtract. Negative 189 plus positive 176. We will have here 113 times negative 13. Negative 13. All right. All these to 3 to the 5th power plus 16. Okay, right here. We are here. So next 15 equals. We will you multiply all that. We will have negative here. Negative 1. So negative 1. Yeah, it's gonna be negative 1 to the 3/5 power plus 60. All right. So next step, 15 equals, we don't know. Here use use the root, 5th root. So here 5th root of what number? Negative 1. This to the 3rd power plus 60. Right? So next step, simplify here 15. You simplify here and simplify all this data. You will have negative 1 here, negative 1 to the 3rd power plus 16. Almost on. So move it over here. So now is 15 equals 15. 15 we not sure yet. Negative 1 plus 60. So next step, 15 is equals 15, right? We are proving the C is extraneous. All right. So this, what I mean this, x equals here, x equals negative 21, right? Satisfy the original equation. See? So the equation here has a conclusion. Oh, I mean the in this, so is not extraneous. All right, it is not extraneous. So the equation has one solution. This has one solution. I told you x equals negative 21. So that's it. That was our problem for today. It's a little bit long process, but it's very important to check all step by step. Okay. As always, I remember you guys. If you discover the power of the mathematics, unleash your infinity potential.